In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your pipelines in HubSpot. Whether you're a small business looking to streamline your sales process or a growing company scaling up operations, managing your pipelines effectively is crucial. So let's dive in and make sure you know exactly how to get started. First things first, we'll begin by accessing the HubSpot User Guide. A wealth of information awaits you there, offering fantastic resources tailored to your needs. Open your browser and head over to the HubSpot User Guide. This will serve as our roadmap to effectively navigating through pipeline editing. Once you've arrived at the user guide, it's time to take the next step by clicking on the settings. You'll find the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner of your HubSpot dashboard. This section holds the key to customizing your HubSpot experience and is wonderfully laid out to guide you through your options. After opening the settings, we move on by clicking on Leads. In HubSpot, leads are the lifeblood of your sales process. By managing them efficiently, you'll ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Click on Leads in the left sidebar to access all things related to your lead management. With Leads open, the next crucial step is to click on Pipelines. Pipelines are the backbone of your sales journey and dictate how leads move through your marketing and sales funnel. Now that you've clicked on Pipelines, you'll be able to see a list of all the pipelines your company currently uses. At this point, you can decide whether to edit an existing pipeline or start a new one if there's a need to do so. As you consider the best ways to edit or set up your pipelines, remember that this is where you can define each stage of your deal's journey. From the initial contact to closing the deal, organizing these stages in a logical manner helps track progress and forecast future sales effectively. Pay attention to what's working well currently, and don't be afraid to make adjustments to stages that could be clearer or more effective. Another handy tip: give special consideration to naming conventions and order. Clear and consistent naming can streamline communication with your team, ensuring that everyone remains on the same page. And remember, you can always return to this section to make future adjustments, so feel free to experiment with different configurations to find what works best for your business. As we wrap up our guide, remember that maintaining an organized and well-structured pipeline is not just about using the software effectively. It's about enhancing your overall sales strategy and maximizing your business potential. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your HubSpot experience.